In JavaScript, startsWith returns if a string begins with a specified sequence of characters. For an example, we'll do let player equals Tarek Scooble. Then we'll do console.log player.startsWith ta. If we run the code, we'll see true, because Tarek does start with ta. Next we'll do player.startsWith Rick. If we run that code, we'll see false. Start means the string you're looking for must start at index 0 unless you pass another argument. Let's pass a 2 as another argument to startsWith and run that code. We'll see true. The second argument tells where the search starts and where your string must now start at. Next, we'll change the 2 to a 3 and run that code. We see false. If the string isn't found because here we've started the search at index 3, then startsWith returns false. This has been Jacubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.